and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm glad you are here. This week we've been working on 10,000 Reasons, also called Bless the Lord by Redman. This is our fourth video. Today we are learning the bridge. Also housekeeping, remember I am left-handed, so if you are right-handed, that means you're mirroring my signs. Also check the description for lots of helpful information and links to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website at signlanguageworship.com. Okay, so, and on that day when my strength is failing. So on, okay, now on is like a literal sign. So I don't think I'm gonna sign it during the song, but I will probably do that, okay, that. So you have your thumb, your pinky out, that. On that day, right, we did that, I think on the first verse, right. On that day, when, so for when, remember we go around and then touch. When my, and then strength, you gotta show those muscles, strength is failing. Non-dominant hand out and you kind of shoot your index finger across it, okay? Failing, failing. So, and on that day, when my strength is failing, the end draws near. So in this case, when they say the end draws near, they're talking about death, okay? Death. So you have your dominant hand palm up, non-dominant hand palm down, and then switch them, okay? Death. The end, and then draws near. You have your dominant or non-dominant hand here for reference, and then you're drawing near to it. Okay, you'll see that it really makes sense which way your hand moves because this is a sign for before and this is draws near. Okay, draws near. So, and on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come. Okay, time, so my time has come. That's another sign that we know from before. Index finger out and then in. Time has come. Still. So for still, you're making two that's, okay? And then you're pushing it out. Still. Still my soul will sing, okay? Your. Now praise is like this, but you can also once again do worship again. Okay, either is fine. Praise or worship. Unending. So for that, it's forever. So this is always and forever. It's again that hand position that you're pushing out. Let's try that from the top. I feel like we've done a lot there. On that day, when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come. Still my soul will sing your praise unending, and then 10,000 years and forevermore. So 10,000, we learned that before, right, earlier in the song. So 10, a thumbs up kind of shaking, and then that's 1,000. 10,000 years. So for years, you're making two fists. Your dominant hand goes around and then on top. 10,000 years, and then once again forever. Always and forever. Okay, let's try that again. And on that day, when my strength is failing, the end comes near and my time has come. Still my soul will sing your praise unending. 10,000 years and forevermore. One last time, okay? I know sometimes the bridges are tricky. And on that day, when my strength is failing, the end draws near and my time has come. Still my soul will sing your praise unending. 10,000 years and forevermore. And that's the bridge. Okay, tomorrow we're going to take everything that we've learned so far from the 4 videos and put it all together and do a walkthrough. And after that, one last video because we're gonna do it with the music. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. Gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.